Imagine a world where your knowledge, your skills, and your passion could be transformed into a profitable venture. A world where your expertise is not just admired, but also monetized. Imagine making thousands of dollars a month from the comfort of your home, all while doing what you love. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you, for many, it's not just a dream, but a reality? Stick around and you'll find out how. Now let me introduce you to two individuals who not only dared to dream, but turned their dreams into reality. Alex Hormozi, a fitness enthusiast turned entrepreneur, and Sam Ovens, a man who went from being broke to becoming a multimillionaire. Both of these individuals found success by leveraging their expertise and passion. Alex Hormozi started his journey with a simple idea: help gym owners grow their businesses. Fast forward to today, Alex sold his majority stake in Gym Launch for over $40 million. This is a company that has generated over $100 million in sales and helped hundreds of gym owners across the world. His success is not a result of luck or coincidence. To prove this, he is currently the CEO of a successful private company called Acquisition.com that helps scale businesses that have $1 to $10 million EBITDA. Sam Ovens, on the other hand, started his journey with nothing more than a dream to escape the 9-to-5 grind. Today, he is the founder of Consulting.com, a company that has helped thousands of individuals start and grow their own consulting businesses. His success story is a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and an unyielding belief in oneself. Now, what if I told you that you too can achieve similar success? Yes, you've heard this before, but you do have the potential to turn your knowledge into a profitable business, just like Alex Hormozi and Sam Ovens. The platform that can help you do this is called Skool. Skool is a platform designed to help you create and sell online courses. It's a platform for those who have a skill, a hobby, or even a unique perspective on life that others might find valuable. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a gardening expert, or a master of chess, Skool can help you monetize your expertise. It's not just about making money though, it's about sharing your knowledge, your passion, your unique perspective with the world, and in the process helping others grow and succeed. It's really easy to begin with Skool, especially if you want to pick up several useful skills and monetize what you have. If you want to be a website funnel builder in order to promote your programs, you most likely require a sales page or funnel pages. Using an email marketing system can help you nurture leads and turn prospects into potential paying community members. And yes, Skool has a Zapier integration that allows you to link the platform to your preferred community. To get started on Skool, all you need is an idea that you believe in and are passionate about. Once you have that, Skool will guide you through the process of creating your online course, marketing it, and eventually selling it to those who find it valuable. But wait, there's more. Skool operates on a subscription-based model, which means you can earn recurring income from your courses. Imagine having 100 or even 1,000 subscribers, each paying a monthly fee to access your course. The potential for earnings is actually limitless. Alright, so you're excited about getting started on Skool. Let's walk you through how to use the platform effectively. Firstly, you need to sign up on Skool and create your profile. This is your chance to introduce yourself to your future students. So make sure to make it engaging and authentic. Next, identify your expertise or passion. What is it that you want to teach? Once you've figured that out, it's time to create a course outline. This is the blueprint of your course, guiding you on what to teach and when. And now comes the fun part: using Skool's intuitive course builder to add lessons, quizzes, and interactive content to your course. With Skool, you can create a course that's not only informative but also engaging and fun for your students. Then it's time to set your course price and create a compelling course landing page. Remember, first impressions matter. Your landing page is the first thing potential students see, so make sure it's captivating. And once you're ready to launch, you can use Skool's marketing tools to promote your course. A beginner-friendly funnel could be: start with a free webinar or a free mini course to attract potential students. Then offer your full course at the end of the free content. Lastly, remember that creating a successful course is an ongoing process. Monitor your course performance and student feedback to continuously improve. With Skool, creating and selling your online course is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So start your journey today. Are you prepared to take the leap and convert your passion into profit? With incredibly user-friendly settings and straightforward modification, the settings panel will allow you as the admin to design anything. Skool excels at fulfilling its promise to provide incredibly straightforward solutions for fusing a community and courses into a single, uncomplicated platform. Skool has all it takes to fetch you all that money with no hassle at all. You know what they say, what the mind can conceive, it can achieve. Investing $100 monthly to make back $1,000 is a good deal, so I'd say seize the opportunity to ride on Skool while you can. The value they offer is so great for the price because it's still quite new, but in the years to come that price will steadily increase and it might be late to jump on the wave. The time is now. Click the link in the bio and embark on your journey with Skool today. And remember, this journey to success isn't a quick race, but a long marathon. It demands patience, persistence, and an abundance of passion. But don't worry, when you have the right toolkit, the right guidance, and the right mindset, you are equipped enough to turn your dreams into reality. Skool is here, ready to guide you on this journey. So are you ready to step into your success story? If the answer is yes, then sign up for Skool and start monetizing your passion. You've got this.